Welcome. It's day 2. I'm going to give you your daily yoga challenge for the flexible mind portion of this morning yoga challenge. So day 2, our intention is to dream. We're going to do something a little bit different today. Our daily challenge is going to be a journaling exercise. So when you think of dreaming, you're going to take a little bit of time to meditate, to visualize, and I want you to think of what kind of life and who you want to be 10 years from now, and you're going to write a letter to yourself in 10 years. I do this type of journaling exercise a lot. I write letters to my future self, to my past self, to my current self, and they're really fun to collect and read throughout the years. I notice for me that there are patterns, there are things that stay very consistent in what I want, and there are things that change over time. So this is really meant to be an exercise in letting go of the limitations that you place around things you think you are deserving of, things you think are realistic for you to be, have, experience in your life. I want you to kind of let those barriers go. Imagine everything was a possibility. Allow yourself to dream and write a letter to yourself 10 years from now, really connecting to that heart space, what matters to you the most. And I don't really want to give you guidelines too much around like word count and what you should focus on and not focus on, because whatever needs to come through for you will come through. The only real guideline is to think of yourself 10 years from now and write down a letter to that future self. What are your hopes, dreams, and wishes for this person, for you of the future? And this can be really powerful to just save this letter, and maybe you're going to read it 10 years from now. Some people like to burn them and dispose of them. That's fine too, as a way to like release it and set the dream free. Whatever it is that you'd like to do with it, it's beautiful. And this can definitely just be a private journaling exercise that you are doing for your own benefit. If there are themes or insights that you would like to share with us, please do so. You can leave us a comment here on YouTube, in the app, or also in our Facebook group for students doing this challenge. So I hope you will really take this opportunity to dream big and to journal, write down a letter to your future self 10 years from now. Enjoy the challenge, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 3.